So what are the top 4 ways to minimize the expenses of a divorce, especially when you have an uncooperative husband? Hi, I'm board certified divorce lawyer Christopher Bruce, and let me tell you the top 4 ways to make your divorce expenses as low as they can go. Number 1, get a therapist before everything starts. You have to have your head on straight. You have to make sure that divorce is really what you need. If you figure out halfway through the divorce process that really you wanted to stay married and you could have made just certain improvements on yourself or on your relationship, well, then you're wasting a heck of a lot of money. So don't do that. Get a great therapist, not necessarily for couples counseling, but for helping you make sure that divorce is right for you. Number 2, get a vision, get a why for why you're getting divorced and what you want out of the process. In order to make your divorce as efficient as possible, you have to know what you want going in, know your why, know the details of it. Make your vision for your after divorce life as clear as possible, both in the intangibles and in the tangible items, like what are the items that you want out of the house? Do you want the house? What are the bank accounts and assets and liabilities that you want? What do you want to see happen with the children? Get that stuff down on paper before you go see an attorney. They might help you tweak that plan, realize what's going to be realistic, but it starts with you and knowing your why, having your vision. Step 3 is get as organized as possible before the divorce case. You can know your why, but do you know your details? Take the time to gather all the information that you can get. There's a free book to where it walks you through all the steps of this. It's The Woman's Guide to Getting Organized for Divorce. See the link in the description, but it takes you through in all the details. But basically, make sure that you're making a budget for before and after the divorce, that you're making a list of everything that you own, that you owe, that you think is out there that you're not sure of, and then try to gather as many of the relevant documents as you can. In every Florida divorce case, there's what's called mandatory disclosure. So the book will have information on what is involved with mandatory disclosure. Go gather those documents now. Get them together. Probably get them saved in a computer file in a neat and tidy way. You can talk to lawyers that you think you're going to hire, ask them how they prefer to receive the information, and get that stuff together before you get the ball rolling. That'll keep the expenses down. The more you're organized, the less your lawyer and your paralegal have to do, the less money you spend. Get it? Got it? Good. Number 4, stay focused once the divorce process starts. If you do what we're talking about and you've made sure that divorce is the thing for you to do, you've got your vision, you've gotten organized, when the divorce case starts, get your plan from your lawyer and work that plan. Stay forward focused, keep your eye on the prize. Everything that comes up in the divorce, think to yourself and maybe talk to your lawyer about, does this get me closer to my goals? And unless the answer to that is yes, it's probably not something for you to worry about or for you to do. So keep your eyes on the prize. If your case starts dragging out, set a final court date. When you set a final court date and you start preparing for that date, usually you will avoid ever having to go through with the legal process. When you do these 4 things, you give yourself the best chance of getting your divorce over on fair terms as soon as possible with as minimal legal spend as necessary. I hope this has been helpful. Got any more tips on this process? Please put them in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more of this content. Check out all of the free resources in the description. If you're looking to save money on your divorce, take advantage of free stuff from lawyers. It's in the description below. If you're looking at a divorce situation in the South Florida area, please consider my law firm, the Bruce Law Firm. I have 13 attorneys at the moment helping clients get divorced from Vero Beach south through Miami. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.